If your Xbox isn't connected to the internet, you can link it to Xfinity Wi-Fi in just a few steps. This works for Xbox Series X, S, and Xbox One. So to start, open Network Settings. For that, press Xbox button on your controller. After that, go to Profile and System, Settings, General, and Network Settings. Then we can set up the wireless connection. So for that, select Set up Wireless Network. Your Xbox will now scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Then choose your home Wi-Fi name, the one from your Xfinity router or app, and then enter the Wi-Fi password exactly as shown. It's case sensitive. And then you can finally test the connection. So Xbox will automatically test the network. You should see connected to the internet when it's successful. And also, if you're using the Xfinity Wi-Fi, Xbox needs manual sign-in. So for that, open the Microsoft Edge on Xbox. You'll be redirected to Xfinity login page, and then just sign in with your Xfinity account. And this is how you set up your internet and connect your Xbox to it. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.